Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, you guys. And you know what, you guys, on this latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, there was one thing that I was happy about, that when I was doing some of the reviews of the show last week, I was just like, you know what? I really hope on the next episode that Utirelo shuts her mouth, just keeps quiet, because you know what? I feel like sometimes to just prove people wrong, or to prove how people can be one-sided, sometimes just keep quiet and let things play out for themselves. So I was really hoping that she doesn't say anything concerning Vuyorazi's situation there at the setup, especially that Vuyorazi's friend was there. And when I watched the full episode, I was so glad, you guys, that Ukel did not say not even a thing. I was so glad, because I felt like if she just dared opened her mouth, Uviki was gonna come for her. If she just dared opened her mouth, hey, bebezomngena. So it's as if subconsciously Umpumelelo and Utirelo subconsciously, it's like they decided ukuthi they're not going to entertain any sort of drama that was going to be there, because once Uviki and Uviolas were actually walking and coming towards them, Umpumelelo just said Utirelo must just come and sit next to him so that they can observe Linda Bagache. But you could see from the way they were coming with Uviki, no Violas bazenge, not bazenge, but you could see that drama is gonna come out of this. So I was happy that Utirelo did not say a word, but just to go and just to show guys that things are so one-sided. I feel like had tables been turned, and had Utirelo been the one who actually brought a friend on the trip, we were going to be speaking a different story. I feel like if Tirelo brought a friend on the trip, you were going to hear things like, oh, Tiren was insecure, she's bringing people to kind of make Vuirazi feel what and what not. But all of a sudden, because it's you guys' favor, and get to who brought a friend, so we are supposed to see it as in, you know, that, oh, Uvirazi needed backup, which I don't have a problem with. I said myself, if Uvirazi felt like she needed someone who was going to support her like that, I got it. Like, I was like, I understand it. Up until I watched this episode, I'm like, I man, Mosle backup that she was talking about, it's not the same type of backup I thought was going to be the type of backup she was talking about. Or maybe Uvirazi had anticipated, because remember, before they went to Sun City, Uvirazi said she feels like everything that's going to be done is going to be done to spite her. So she probably thought that maybe any sort of spitefulness that people are going to do to her, at least if she has a friend there, then she'll be able to keep it together, which I get. But I'm just like, I know for sure if Tirel was the one who pulled that move, the response would have definitely not been the same. And I'm just like, why nimtrita? Why nimtrita omunye mntwana, guys? Like, why are you guys like cheating with Irela like that? Yes, like, let's leave season one things in season one, because we in season two. Yegali drama about season one be in season two. Let's deal with season two. Like, let a person show themselves. Let a person show their true colors in season two, and decide based on that. But anyway, yeah, that is it, you guys. I'm just happy that Utirela kept quiet. I really hope going forward, though, that Utirelo just keeps her comments to her relationship. Aniti, she says she's happy in her relationship. So the rest of the things, she should just keep quiet. Keep her mouth out of Vuyogazi's relationship, no mpumelelo, anything like that. So I was happy with that, you guys. I feel like maybe for some people, even who maybe do not like Tirelo, they don't like that aspect about her. And me too, you guys, that's one thing I don't like about Tirelo. I don't like when she puts her mouth into Uvuyogazi and Umpumelelo's relationship, whereas she does not enter there. There, I'm just like just leave that. Focus on your relationship. Or if Uvuyogazi comes for you, then you mention something about her. But Jay, like out of the blue, leave the girl alone. Leave the girl alone. Focus the window there. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think about this? Did you actually expect a response out of Utirelo, or what? Like, what did you like? I'm proud of everyone, you guys, that they didn't even. But anyway, listen, next week, that conversation, Uviki, that she's having, it's going to continue next week. So I'm just proud that no one got to entertain Uviki because I'm just like, it would have been unnecessary trauma. Like, why fight Umpumelelelo's fights? Because the one year Vicky, it's with Umpumelelo basically, no one else. So Utirana should not get it. No one should basically get it. Umpumelelo should sort out his own business if he feels like it's irrelevant as Tunele, and that's basically it. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.